beauty, stand for 90 years of resilience, stand for 94 years of love, and welcome the Queen of our hearts, the jewel of our family, the one and only Mama Dad!
Hi Mama, happy 94th birthday to you. I'm so happy na nakauwi ako para mag-enjoy dito sa mga pamilya natin, and I just want to also thank my family for always supporting us, helping us, and we did it, Ma. Happy birthday, and I love you. Sana you have many more birthdays to come, okay? Love you, Mama. I'm here for you.
Happy birthday, Lola Det. I know excited ka na sa big day na to. Ito yung pinakaantay natin. At alam ko naman na happy ka at dito ka sa Pilipinas ngayon nag-celebrate ng birthday mo. Happy birthday, I love you, and you deserve this big party.
Good evening, everyone! Welcome to Lola Det's 94th birthday. Tonight, we rise in honor of royalty, not in kind, the word of crown of gold, but a kind that wears a crown of love. For 94 extraordinary years, she walked in this earth with grace, with strength, with a heart so pure, it has shaped generations. 94 years of memories, 90 years of strength, 94 years of blessing this world with her presence. Tonight, we prepare, welcome the greatness of this room. Please stand for the 94 years of beauty, stand for 90 years of resilience, stand for 94 years of love, and welcome the Queen of our hearts, the jewel of our family, the one and only Mama Dad!
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000.
Hi Ma, happy birthday! Alam ko masaya ka ngayong araw dahil pangarap mo rin magkaroon ng ganitong birthday. Ito na Ma, natupad na. Salamat sa lahat. Happy birthday sa iyo. I love you.
Hi, Lola Det. Happy birthday. And itong kaka-start ng program, wag po nakakaiyak yung music. Lola Det, happy birthday. Looking around today, makikita naman natin na ang daming tao na na-touch sa buhay. Ang dami mong na-touch na buhay sa mga tao. And we always knew how much we loved you. But seeing all these people here to celebrate, just to show your, it just shows your kindness sa bawat isa, and yung warmth na sa bawat isa sa amin. And gusto ko lang malaman mo na you are the heart of this family. And clearly na ikaw din yung light ng pamilyang to. So, yan, mahal na mahal ka namin, Lola Det. Happy birthday. Wala pa rin. Hi, birthday, Lola Det. Actually, wala talaga ako na-prepare na maayos na birthday speech natin. But I'm doing my best right now. So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, I'm studying in Manila. Doon po ako nag-aral sa pinag-graduate ng lola ko sa CU. And I'm very, very proud of it. Kasi lola ko nag-graduate sa CU. Tapos pinipicture ako yung diploma niya sa bahay and then papakita ko sa friends ko. And actually, I'm very longing for my lola's presence kasi nga nasa ibang bansa sila and naiwan kami dito sa Pilipinas. So, nung mga panahon na nasa Amerika siya, alam mo yung miss ko yung lola ko, miss ko si lola ron. Actually, my family knows about it kasi every time na may achievement ako, I hope na nakikita nila yun. And Lola Det, I know that you're 94. Please, wait for me to graduate. I'm making you proud. Pagkatapos ko tong kurso ko, isusuwayo kita and I hope that you're still strong by that time. I pray na malakas ka pa nun. Hindi siya sana. Dapat malakas ka pa nun, Lord. Please, bigyan mo na sa akin to. Hi, birthday, Lola Det. I love you. I know that I am not saying it always, but I hope you know that I love you very much. Sorry kasi minsan di kita nabati ng Happy Mother's Day. Pero alam ko na isa ka sa pinaka-importanteng nanay sa buong mundo kasi nanay mo yung tatay ko. And without you, wala kami.
Yeah.
I love you, Lola Det.
Here's my... Here's a good point.
But I'm so happy to be here for your birthday. Thank you so much for everything you've done for us. I love you so much. We care about you. And happy birthday.
I love you, Ma, always. Thank you for your unconditional love to us. Salamat, Ma, sa pag-aasikaso mo sa amin mula nung bata pa kami hanggang ngayon. Hindi ka namin madalas makita, pero pero sa puso namin, Ma, ikaw ang number 1 nanay sa amin. Alam niyo ba? Alam niyo, ang birthday ko noong 2024, si Mama umuwi kahit gusto sa likod niya. Ngayon, umuwi kami sa birthday niya. Alam ko, tayang ilaw dahil birthday ni Mama. Sabi ko si Mama, napakabait ni Mama, lahat pinupumblema. Salamat, Ma. Noong birthday ni Mama taon-taon, umuwi kami sa California. 5 days kami roon sa California. Birthday niya sa restaurant lang, 5 hours. Kaya sabi niya, gusto niyang ma-celebrate dito ang birthday niya para masubukan niyang maraming tao. Ngayon naman, ano ba yung birthday ko? Maraming tao. Salamat sa iyo lahat. Alam niyo, last 24, uuwi na kami. Sabi niya, JR, ano yun eh, February. Kaya hindi ko makakawin sa birthday mo dahil masakit na likod ko. Okay lang ako, okay lang ma'am. Pero nung pagdating ng March, tumawag, kaya uuwi kami ni Dilo sa Samagia ako. I love you, ma. Habang pinagtay mo ng birthday ko. Ako sabi niya, kaya yung lupa sa bako, sabi ni Papa mo, sa'yo na lang. Kaya dating bundok, ngayon may kwala na mayroong bahay-bahay na. Kaya si Papa, napakasaya. Nakita mo yung lupa niya sa bako, maganda na. I love you, ma. Napakasaya.
Pasasalamat sa ating punong may kapal. Binigyan niya ako ng maganda at mahabang buhay. Ngayon po ay 20 ko, sa edad na 94. Thank you.